It's so important to be everywhere your fans are, or potential fans may show up. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Amazon Music for Artists profile. My name is Maria Watkins, and this is my 30th year as a music publisher and music publishing administrator. Now I'm here to empower you to handle your music's business. Let's get right to it. So how do you claim your artist profile on Amazon Music? The first thing you need to do is to download the app. Set up your username and password if you don't have one already with Amazon. Sign in, agree to the terms of service, put in your preferences, and then continue to open the app. You will next have an opportunity to search for an artist or to claim an artist. Let's search for the artist first so we can claim it. In the search bar, type in your artist name, and it should populate with your music that they currently have on their site. Click on the one that you want to claim. The next screen, you'll want to click on the button which reads, Take Me There. You'll continue to fill out the information that they need. Here you have company name / artist name. So type that information in. If you don't have a company, just type in your artist name. Next, you'll need to choose the role. Are you the artist? Are you the manager? Or are you the label? After you've made your selection, you can fast track your approval by connecting to one of your social accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Choose one, authorize the app, then you want to click Open so you can open this page in for artists. It will direct you back to the app where you also have an opportunity to connect via your distributor if CD Baby happens to be your distributor. They will be adding more later. If you press the icon with CD Baby as your distributor, then the screen will take you to that website for you to log in with your username and password. Then click on Open for Open this page in for artists. It will direct you back then to the app for the final field. This is where they want you to list any other information which will help them confirm your claims, such as an artist, label, or management websites. Put whatever you'd like for them to know there, then click Submit. The next screen will show you where your approval is submitted and that they'll get back to you soon. Clicking Continue will bring you back to the opportunity to search again and to claim any of your other music that you didn't do the first time. You'll just follow the process again. You'll receive an email when everything has been finalized. It's official. You're in. Welcome aboard Amazon Music for Artists in beta. You can now check your stats, learn more about your fans, and see what's happening on Alexa. So then you can explore the app and see how you're doing. If you missed the last tutorial, everything you need to know about music royalties, be sure to check that out. It is a comprehensive, in-depth tutorial teaching you every single type of music royalty that you're owed. You might be surprised some of the royalties you may not have thought about. So be sure to check that video out. You really don't want to miss it. Also, feel free to browse and to watch any of the other videos on the Music Business Made Easy channel. You take care now and have a great day.